Welcome to my channel Health and DIY and myself Kushi. So yeah, it's been much long that I have uploaded video. Sorry for that inconvenience. So today I'm going to make a veg Frankie, which is healthy, or you can say it as veg roti roll. So yeah, let's start the video and see the ingredients. So for the ingredients we need 1 capsicum, 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, 1 kheera, 2 rotis. This is the whole wheat roti only, but you should make sure you make a big one, this much. And for spices we need green chili sauce and red chili sauce and the olive oil mayonnaise which we have used in our sandwich, and you need 2 foils to cover the roll. So yeah, let's start the video. Today we are going to make 2 types of Frankies or the roti rolls. So for the first one we need some capsicums, onions and some tomatoes and spices, salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. We will mix it and make it into a curry, and that curry we will fill in the first Frankie. So yeah, let's see the further video. To make the curry of the Frankie, first we need to switch on the flame. We should lower the flame. And we should add 2 tablespoons of oil in it. You can see I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. And after the oil gets heated, we need to add capsicum, some onions, some tomatoes, and yeah, after adding the veggies we need to mix it and mix it properly. Now we need to add the spices. We'll add the half tablespoon of red chili, half tablespoon turmeric. This is the jeera coriander powder, 2 tablespoons, and half tablespoon of salt. Now give it a mix. So guys, to make the first roll, you need to take the whole wheat flour chapati. This is the normal chapati which we make. So now on this we are going to add the mayonnaise and some green chili sauce. You should add a very little, because already you have added spices in your curry, and only a little bit of red chili sauce. And now give it a mix. You should spread it. First mix it and now this. So yeah, now we have applied the sauces nicely. Now after this, take the curry which you have made. If you want to use full, you can use full, or either only some. So you should place it like this. Make sure you don't place downwards, because while folding you may get some difficulties. So yeah, now spread it nicely this way here. And now see, the technique is First fold it upwards and press it somewhat. Now sidewards like this, and now from this side you need to fold it. And now after this, to make sure it doesn't fall, take a foil, place it over here, cover it with a foil, and yeah, your first Frankie is ready. And now for the second one, now one more chapati. On this we will add only the mayonnaise, and with the same spoon we'll mix it, so yeah, we may get the other taste. So yeah, after applying this mayonnaise, we need to add cucumbers. I have chopped it. You can chop even in circles or even the slices. I have chopped in both the ways. After adding some cucumbers, take some onions, add some onions. Now after adding onions, you need to add tomatoes. Now after adding tomatoes, we will add some more mayonnaise on the top. Yeah. Now the same way, first from down, then from the side slightly, and now from this side. Now wrap it up, take the foil paper, place it somewhat up, cover it with the foil paper. Now with this way, if your veggies are coming out, no props, remove them and keep it aside. So yeah, this is the second veggie Frankie, and this one is the second one. Please like my video. Please share your views. Please share this video, and please let me know if you liked my video and did you like this recipe, or if you tried, how did you got it. And please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell notification. So yeah, thank you. Bye.